Have you ever paused to wonder what might be the unseen repercussions of climate change on our vast oceans and the vibrant marine life they shelter? Enveloping more than 70% of our planet's surface, the oceans play a pivotal role in sustaining life on Earth. They're not just vast bodies of water, but a complex, interconnected ecosystem teeming with enchanting marine life. From minuscule plankton to colossal whales, each creature plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this underwater world. Now let's consider climate change. It's not just a land-based issue. The effects ripple far beyond our forests, cities, and plains, reaching into the heart of our oceans. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and increasing carbon dioxide all take a toll on this delicate ecosystem, altering marine life habitats and disrupting the balance that has taken millions of years to establish. As we delve deeper into the issue, it becomes apparent that the health of our oceans is intrinsically linked to the health of our planet. The climate crisis is not a future concern, it is happening here and now, and our oceans are at the forefront of this challenge. Our oceans, covering more than 70% of our planet, are experiencing significant alterations due to the ongoing climate crisis. Rising sea levels, a direct result of melting polar ice caps, pose a serious threat to coastal communities and marine habitats alike. But the damage doesn't stop at the water's edge. At a deeper level, our oceans are becoming progressively more acidic due to higher levels of carbon dioxide dissolving into them. This phenomenon, known as ocean acidification, is detrimental to a multitude of marine species, particularly those with shells or skeletons, like corals and shellfish. In addition to acidification, the ocean's temperature is on the rise. Warmer waters may sound like a beachgoer's dream, but for marine life, it can be a nightmare. Increased temperatures lead to coral bleaching, a process in which corals expel the algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn white and often die. These alterations in the ocean's conditions also disrupt the delicate balance of marine life's migration patterns. As creatures seek cooler waters, ecosystems are left out of balance, leading to decreased biodiversity. The marine ecosystem, once a beacon of biodiversity, now faces an uncertain future due to these climate-induced changes. The effects of climate change on our oceans are not confined to the water's edge. They ripple out, affecting life on land as well. This vast expanse of water is not just a habitat for myriad species, it's also a vital resource for humans. Many societies, particularly those residing along coastlines, rely heavily on the ocean for their livelihoods, whether through fishing or tourism. Imagine a world where our vibrant coral reefs fade to lifeless gray, where the once abundant fish stocks dwindle to alarming lows. This isn't just a loss for marine life, but for fisherfolk whose daily catch feeds their families and fuels their economies. And what about the tourism industry? Crystal clear waters and thriving marine ecosystems are magnets for tourists. But if these natural wonders disappear, so do the tourists and the income they bring. But the dominoes don't stop falling there. As marine ecosystems degrade, they lose their ability to function as effective carbon sinks. The ocean, our planet's biggest carbon dioxide hoover, can no longer keep up. This exacerbates the very climate change that's causing the degradation in the first place, creating a vicious, self-perpetuating cycle. The oceans, a cradle of life, are crying out for help, their plight echoing the urgency of our climate crisis. While the situation seems dire, it is not beyond repair. It is within our power to turn the tide. We can mitigate the effects of climate change on our oceans and the precious marine life they harbor. One of the most potent solutions is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. By shifting towards renewable energy sources and making our lifestyles more sustainable, we can lessen our carbon footprint. Another key step is promoting sustainable fishing practices. Overfishing not only depletes fish populations, but also disrupts the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. By choosing sustainably sourced seafood, we can help protect these ecosystems. Furthermore, protecting marine areas, especially those most vulnerable to climate change, is crucial. By establishing marine reserves, we can provide safe havens for marine species, allowing them to recover and thrive. The health of our oceans and the life they harbor is a testament to the health of our planet. Let us heed their call and act, for their survival and ours is intertwined.